What is AC/DC? No, not the Australian rock band. AC and DC are types of electrical power. AC, or alternating current, is the standard electricity that comes out of power outlets. The flow of the charge alternates between positive and negative, creating a wave. DC, or direct current, is electricity that flows in a linear path. Many of today's electronics and electronic devices prefer DC power because of its smooth flow and even voltage. Both AC and DC are essential forms of electrical power. AC power is created by most power plants. It is cheaper to generate and has fewer energy losses than DC current when transmitting electricity over long distances. AC power is easy to interrupt, such as with a circuit breaker, due to the wave motion of the current. It is also easy to convert AC to DC power. Most devices that require DC power have an AC adapter for this purpose. Household appliances such as lamps, washing machines, and refrigerators run on AC power. DC power is produced by batteries, fuel cells, rectifiers, and generators. While AC power is better for transmitting over long distances, high-voltage DC power can be more efficient for distances greater than 1,000 kilometers. DC power is used in most consumer electronics such as cell phones, laptops, TVs, and more. It's also used for charging electric and hybrid cars. Whether it's bringing electricity into our homes or powering our portable devices, AC and DC power are both essential forms of electricity. If you like this information on AC and DC power, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. For general information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching!